My apple cinnamon loaf has a beautiful maple dip. How's that for fall flavors? And the best thing is, it is shaped like a star. Now this is a bread, not a cake. So I've got the star ingredient over here, yeast, and it's bubbling away with some sugar and some warm water. The sugar gives the yeast something to snack on, so then it can come alive and do its work. Gonna get some nice warm milk. And this is a rich, buttery bread, so I need plenty of butter. Every bread needs a little salt. And this is a sweet bread. I gotta get my sugar in there. Regular flour and potato flour. That's what's gonna give this loaf a really nice hearty texture. Here's where the dough hook does all the work for me. Yes. So, the yeast in here is alive. It's gonna grow and grow and grow. Told you it was alive. The center of this beautiful bread is a sweet apple cinnamon filling. This apple is gonna get sweetened and spiced, then I'm gonna throw some crunchy pecans in there too. Of dough and turn it into an elegant star. Well, first, I need layers. 3 sections of dough for 3 layers in my cinnamon star bread. Trusty egg wash glue is gonna hold everything together. Already I can see all those beautiful juices coming out of the apple. And that is layer 1. Same thing all over again. Now, how do I make the star? With this very special equipment. I need to make 16 cuts, and the best way to do that is 4, and then another 4, and then another 4 to keep it all even. Things get really artistic. All I need to do is take the inside pieces, twist them outside, bring them back in again, and then pinch the ends closed. Oh, you could already see all those layers coming out and the juice inside. Is that not the most beautiful bread you have ever seen. Now, just a little egg wash for shine, and this beauty needs to rise a little bit more. Nice and puffy, and you, my friends, are ready for the oven. I need a maple dip. A little bit of powdered sugar, a little bit of pure maple syrup, and a touch of milk. This is just like a nice, thick icing. Like the leaves are falling outside, the fire is crackling. There's something about apple and cinnamon and maple all together. It just feels like a giant hug.